Great Falls, Montana. Staying in the KOA. Check this thing out. Cool, got a bench. Looks like an RV spot. Stay here for a couple days. I'm actually gonna do a stereo install here. Furthest I've ever driven to do a stereo. Well, what do you know? I'm up here in Great Falls, Montana, and I'm about to install a stereo in Josh's car. Let's go check it out. What do we got going on over here, man?
I don't know if you even know what's going on here, because when's the last time you put a stereo in a driveway? It's been a long time.
In Montana. Let's do this, man.
Heck yeah, man.
I got everything all set up over here next to my fishing gear. We're gonna put in this Alpine 407, some steering wheel controls, have the dash kit here, and we're gonna slap the harness together. So let's get this done. Some old school stuff right here, right, Josh?
Yeah, heck yeah, man.
Some backyard boogie.
That's the way it used to be.
Yep, that's where we started. Don't forget our roots. I am gonna be rusty though, I'll warn you. I usually do all the fabrication, not the wiring, but we'll get this done. We didn't drive 18 hours not to get this done. While I'm still trying to figure out all the wiring, I'm gonna mount the radio. Josh already pulled the radio out. We're gonna match it up. Let this thing mount. Or something like that.
What?
A vehicle checklist?
Huh?
Did we do a vehicle checklist on this thing?
We did not do a vehicle checklist, sir.
All right, cross our fingers.
Sign anything or give you any sort of authorization.
Do you even know how much this costs?
No, and now because I didn't sign anything, you can make it cost anything you
I think I got like $3,000 in fuel on the way up here, so
yeah, exactly.
we're good to go.
I can see exactly
Yeah.
what it is.
Guys, it actually works. I got so lucky on that. Casinos, we need to go to the casino because I just got super lucky right now getting that. Just plug and play and go. Get this water back down in there. I think my hands got fatter.
Oh yeah, I know mine did. Tiny, tiny, lefty, loosey, Tim.
It's that outdoor driveway power. Yeah. Back in the day, you know.
Back in the day. Heck yeah.
Cool, man. You're good to go. Just gotta peel this thing off, and
Sick.
I think we're good. Find a station that works.
1039, ironically.
Sweet.
Heck yeah.
Cool. Doesn't look too shabby in there, man.
Well,
Looks good.
Looks classier with that Lincoln clock on top of it.
That does look pretty good, though. Yeah, in case you forget, you know, your time's there and there.
Yeah.
You're good. Good to go.
That's good because my daughter didn't know how to read an analog clock, so.
That's cool, dude.
Yeah.
Well, there you have it. It's still light out, even though it gets dark around 10 o'clock up here. And he's set and ready to go. Babe, ready for the next location?
Ready.
Let's roll. Thanks, Josh.
Yes, sir.
We'll see you later. Get out some German chocolate cake for a stereo install. I appreciate it.
Yeah, well, that's the best deal I've gotten in my whole life, so
Yeah,
I think we can make that work.
Hey, you're good, dude.
Yeah, absolutely, man.
Thanks for dinner, too.
Okay.
There you go.
That's awesome. And I didn't even get like halfway. I really want to almost match it.
Heck yeah.
I almost want to do it next.
Absolutely approved.
Yes.
For that thing I didn't sign for. Yeah.
Look behind.
Life, we was struggling though. Sentimental when it counted the phone. You ain't never gave me nothing to hold. Freight travel finna fuck up the road. $250,000, you ain't done it before. Say you my nigga, I'ma be your killer. Nobody gonna play with you when I'm with you. Go against any nigga like fuck this little skin off dirt on bitches. I put it in for you, I spin for you. Whatever you with, I'm with it. How you gon' coast a nigga I'm rockin' with you? I got you lit in the city. I been multitasking.
Yeah, smile all around. Music.